Hello and welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's make some jalapeno poppers. Today I'm going old school. I've got some bacon, some blue cheese, and a couple, or actually three, jalapenos. I started off with a knife but realized the spoon was easier. And then I realized it was better to take them to the sink and get rid of the seeds there. So that's what I'm doing. Filling them up with a little bit of blue cheese in each, or actually as much as I could fit in there. And wrapping each jalapeno with 2 strips of bacon and putting them into the preheated oven at 200 Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit, about 20 minutes. The last 5 minutes I turned the broiler on. So it's up above as high as I could, and this is what I came out with. So only thing left now was to taste it. There we go. Jalapeno popper. Simplest version I could come up with. So we're making blue cheese and bacon today. Extremely hot, fantastically good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.